Let us learn about lenses. Lenses are pieces of transparent medium like glass or quartz. Okay. So there are different kinds of lenses, but a very important lens are two kinds. One is convex lens, other one is concave lens. So we have studied mirrors. So there we studied about concave mirror, which is like a cave. It's the same thing. So if it is reflecting from this side, it is concave. If it is reflecting like this from this side, it will be convex. Here in case of lenses, there are two kinds of lenses. Here convex lens will be of like this. In the middle it will be bulged and ends it will be sharp. Okay. Where in case concave lens will be like this, like something like this. The middle is small. So the light passes from here to here. So let us see how it is. See here the lenses, convex lens will be, so this is concave lens which is bulged in center and and outside it is thick. You can remember that it is thin in the center and thick in the sides. Same way here you can see this convex lens which is bulged in the center and thin in the edges. Okay. See the lenses, this already we have discussed, is bulged in the center and out. So what will happen is when the lens, both the sides, it will have center of curvature as same as in the mirrors. So the lenses will have center of curvature. It will have two center of curvatures and two center of focus. That is principal focus. One is to the left and other is to the right. See, for example, if it is both convex and concave lens, so it will have C1, C2 and F1, F2. Okay. So we will call it as, you would be knowing what is that principal axis. Principal axis is a imaginary line joining the center of the lens. We will call it as optic center here, not the center of the, it's not the optical center. Here it is called, we call it as optical center. Okay. So here what will happen in the lens, convex lens, when a paraxial ray of light passes, it converges to principal focus in another side. Same way in concave lens, so it is similar to that convex mirror. So what will happen is whenever we pass a paraxial beam, it appears to diverge from the opposite principal focus. So here in case of lenses, the convex lens is similar to concave mirror and concave lens is similar to convex mirror. Okay. Each surface of the lens has center of curvature C1, C2, F1, F2 principal focus. Imaginary line passing through C1 and C2, it is called as principal axis. In case of converging length, paraxial rays incident on one side converge to opposite principal focus and appear to in case of concave lens, it appear to diverge from opposite principal focus in case of diverging lens. Okay. So let us see how image formation takes place in these two lenses. We have done a small animation. You can just tell us how the animation is. So let us imagine. So there is a object which is infinity. It will give a paraxial rays only. So you know that for a paraxial rays, this concave lens, so it will go and see if normally how do we make a mirror is, we will write a line parallel to principal axis on the top of the size of the mirror. So in case of concave lens, so it will converge it to the it will appear to diverge from the principal focus. So the image will be formed in the principal focus. If the image is present anywhere else, for example, I have put the image here. So we will draw line straight from the paraxial line from the edge of the object. So it will appear as if it is diverging from the principal focus. The image will be formed. So another ray of light, which see here, one of the character of this lenses is that in both the lenses, if the ray is passing through the optic center, it will pass undeviated. We will take the resultant refracted ray and the line passing through the center, the at that position we will mark the image in both concave and convex lenses. So here also what will happen, see, for example, if there is another line which is coming straight to the principal focus, it will become a paraxial ray in case of concave lens. Okay, so in case of convex lens, what happens is, let us see the interaction. So even in case of convex lens, the light coming paraxial to the lens, it will pass through the focus. For all image formation, if the object is here, what we'll do is we will take a line paraxial to the object. It will pass through the principal focus opposite side. Okay, another ray of light from the tip of the object, we will pass it through the optic center of the lens. So wherever these two, this refracted and this line through the passing optic center meet, we will mark the image. So in the first case, what will happen, the object is at infinity, the image will be formed in the opposite principal focus. It is a object is at infinity, we will get a highly diminished real image at f2, we can say. So suppose if the object is beyond infinity and center of curvature, or 2f, we will draw a line up to the lens from the tip of the object. So it will pass through as if it is going through the principal focus. So another line we have to draw through the optic center. Those two are meeting here. So here we will get a diminished inverted real image between f2 and c2. So let us see what will happen in case of when the object is at C. So let us place the object at C. We will draw a parallel line to the lens. Then it will pass through the principal focus. Another line we will pass it through the optic center. They are meeting exactly on the principal focus. Object is at C. The same size inverted real image takes place at C2. Now let us say when the object is between C and F. So we will run it. See, you can see it will 1, 2, 3. The image will be beyond C. The image is inverted and real. Similarly, when the object is at F, so what will happen is next. So those two lines are parallel, they never meet. We get an image which is highly enlarged and inverted real image. The image will be in infinity. So this is what will happen. This is what will happen when the object is between principal focus and the optic center. Same procedure. So here what is happening, this is, we have to produce it back because they are having an oblique incidence. So we produce it back, the image is formed in the same side of the lens where the light has come in. So it is this, if we are projecting it back, this is called as inverted. This is highly, the object is between C and F, enlarged, erect, virtual image in same side of the object. You can say all other cases it is a real image, but it is inverted. Here it is a same parallel to the object, but it is virtual image because we are producing this back.